People are getting millions of views on their shorts video, but on other side, you are struggling to get even 1000 views. If you are also facing this same problem, then this video may help you a lot, because in this video, I will be discussing about the 3 important reasons which is why your videos freeze before getting 1000 views. We will be discussing the main reason and also the solution for that. And if you understand the video completely and work on this reason, then I am 100% sure that you will start getting more views on your shorts and getting more subscriber on your channel. So without wasting time, let's move into our video. Let's go. Now let's talk about the first reason. The first reason might be that you are uploading shorts video which is little bit longer. You need to understand that the attention span of the shorts viewers are very low, and if you can't hook the audience at the beginning of your video and still your video is long, then they are going to swipe away your video very fast. So that's why you need to make your shorts video very short and sweet, and you should be able to hook the audience at the beginning 2 seconds of your video. So if you start uploading your shorts video a little bit shorter than usually you used to upload and make a strong hook for your video at the starting of 2 seconds of your video, then you will start getting more views on your shorts. Now let's talk about the second reason. And the second reason is correct uploading time. Most of the people upload their shorts videos at whatever time they want. They do not have any fixed schedule and fixed time for uploading their shorts video. You need to understand that uploading time of your video plays very vital role in your growth, because your YouTube channel has a separate audience and your audience have a specific time for getting online on YouTube. And if you upload your video at the right time when your viewers are online, then you will get more views. But if you upload your videos at whatever time you want, then you won't be able to get views on your shorts. So this is why you need to find your correct uploading time. Do an experiment every day. Sometime upload it in the morning time, and next day if you get more views on your channel, then it is your correct time. And sometime upload your videos at the evening time, and the next day if at the same time you get more views while checking your shorts, then that is the right time for your uploading. And sometime upload your videos on the night, and in the next day if you get more views on your short, then that is the correct time for you. So everyone have a different time for uploading. So find your correct timing for uploading videos so that you can start getting more views on your shorts. Now let's talk about the third and the most important thing for uploading your shorts video, and it is tags. Many people don't even know about these important features. This feature help you promote your video. This feature help you rank your videos on YouTube. For example, if you mention a keyword in your video like shorts video viral trick, and if viewers search the same thing on YouTube, then the same tag will help you to rank your videos on the search features of YouTube. So that's why if you put the right tag in your video, then it is easier for your viewers to search your video on YouTube. For example, if you are uploading videos related to shorts video tips and tricks, then you should mention a specific tag for your video, which will be like shorts video tips and tricks and how to make shorts video viral. So mention at least 2 to 3 tag for your specific video. Now it's time for your niche tag. So you need to understand your niche, in which niche your videos are related with. For example, my niche is related with YouTube growth tips and idea. So I will be mentioning the same tag related with YouTube growth tips and idea. And at last you need to put some tags that will fit in your every video and which will be suitable for your whole channel. So that's why tags are very important, and if you put the correct tags on your video, then it is 100% sure that you will get more views on your shorts and get more subscribers in short period of time. So these are the 3 important reasons which is why your shorts video is getting less views every time you upload. So if you work on these reasons, then you will start getting more views on your shorts. So I hope you guys like the video. Make sure you subscribe the channel for more videos like this, and share this video to your friends who are always getting less than 1000 views on their shorts.